What if I told you that one single thought, just one, can destroy everything you've built in your life? You can be honest for years. You can work hard every single day. You can protect your values with your soul. But one unguarded moment, one greedy thought, can close the doors of destiny forever. Today's story is not just a story. It is a warning. Because the biggest betrayals in life don't come from others, they come from our own thoughts. Listen carefully, this lesson could change your future. Many years ago, there lived a young man named Adam in a small town. His days were filled with hardship and sorrow. Every morning he went out searching for work, earned a little, returned home, cooked a simple meal and went to sleep. One day, after wandering the whole day without finding any job, Adam was heading home with a heavy heart. He felt tired, defeated, and empty. Suddenly he heard a voice from behind. "Is there anyone who can help me carry something?" Adam turned and saw an old man standing there with 3 large heavy duffel bags. "Yes, I can help," Adam said. The old man replied, "I need to travel to the next village. It's a bit far. I can carry 2 of these myself, but the third is too heavy. Can you take it? I'll pay you 3 gold coins." Adam agreed. As soon as he lifted the bag, he felt its weight. "Wow, this is really heavy," he said. The old man calmly answered, "Yes, because it's full of bronze coins." Though difficult, Adam placed it on his shoulder and began walking beside him. As they walked, Adam noticed the old man kept glancing at him. A thought passed through his mind. Maybe he's worried I'll run away with the bag. But Adam quickly corrected himself. "I'm not a thief. I would never betray anyone. I only wish to work hard and earn honestly." Soon they reached a riverbank. Without hesitation, Adam stepped into the water and began crossing. The old man stayed behind. "I'm too old," he said. "I can't cross with these 2 bags. If I try, I might drown. Can you carry one more for me?" "Don't worry. I'll give you 3 more gold coins." Adam agreed. But as he reached for the bag, the old man stopped him. "Promise me you won't run away. This one holds silver coins." Adam replied, his voice firm, "Do I look like a thief? I don't cheat for money. Give it here." He picked up the second bag and crossed safely. Not even silver tempted him away from his values. Afterward they came to a hill. Adam started climbing, but the old man remained at the bottom. "Come on," Adam called out. "I'm too weak to climb with this last bag," the old man said. "Then give it to me." "I'll carry it," Adam answered. The old man hesitated. "This one has gold coins. If you run away, I won't catch you." Adam replied, clearly frustrated now, "I've already told you I'm honest. Once I worked at a loan office. They asked me to lie about a client's debt, but I resigned instead. That's the kind of man I am." The old man looked uncertain, then finally said, "I don't know if you're truthful, but here, take the bag, walk ahead, and wait for me after the hill." Adam lifted it and started walking. But as he went on, something changed inside him. A thought crept into his mind. "If I run away with all 3 bags, the old man can't stop me. I'll be rich forever." Another thought followed. "He's old. He won't live long. What use does he have for this money? But I'm young. With it, I can marry, live in luxury, and change my life forever." That thought grew stronger. His steps became faster. Temptation took over. Adam began running with the bags. When he finally reached home, his breath heavy, his hands shaking, he opened them and froze. No gold. No silver. Only small stones. Confused, he found a note inside. It read, "I am the king of this land. I have no family, no heir, and I am growing old. I have been searching for an honest man to adopt as my son and future king. If you had not run away, you would have been that man." Adam's heart sank. Regret washed over him. He had lived honestly all his life, but one small greedy thought had ruined everything. Just one more moment of self-control and he could have become heir to the throne. But that single weakness cost him everything. This story reminds us of the power of our thoughts. Adam was an honest man, but one greedy thought led him astray. Every action begins with a thought. Thoughts shape words. Words lead to actions. Actions form habits. And habits define our destiny. Our thoughts are like seeds. We plant them today and tomorrow they grow into our future. So we must fill them with honesty, positivity, and peace. Protect your mind. Nurture good thoughts and they will guide you toward a brighter life. If you feel this story carries a lesson worth sharing, please like and share the video and don't forget to subscribe to stay connected. I'll be back soon with another inspiring story. Until then, be patient, stay grateful, and keep moving forward.